हेलो यूट्यूबर्स, मेरा नाम है शाश्वत। आप देख रहे हैं बीइंग टेक्निकल। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। दोस्तों, आज आप देखने वाले हैं वन प्लस 5T का अनबॉक्सिंग।
Hello friends, here's the new unboxing of OnePlus 5T which I bought today from Amazon. It's in black color. Wow, it's looking so nice, so great. Let's see what else we got in the box. We'll see it later. What about phone? It's the box stuff. Oh, it's the dash charger and a USB-C type port of orange color. Okay. Now I think there are some paperwork. Oh, there's also a back case. It's a transparent one, I think. Actually, OnePlus is famous for their boxing also, packaging. There's an ejection pin and a case, transparent case. Now let's check about the phone. Let's turn it on. The OnePlus logo appeared with the Android. Now where the welcome screen appeared. Let me set up it, then we'll. Now the setup has completed. Let's go to settings. I bought 128GB and 8GB of RAM. Let's go to my phones or about phones. Yes, you can see that Oxygen OS 4.7.2. The storage is 128GB and 8GB of RAM. It's come with Nougat, but later it will update to audio. It's working on stock Android. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. Let's check camera. Wow, camera is too good. It's 16 megapixel sensor from front, and I think back is 20 and 16 back. It's really good. Recently I have set up that face lock feature. As you can see, it's unlocking. It's unlocked pretty fast, lightning fast processor. Snapdragon 835 actually. It's too good, really fast. You can see that. Now let's see what else we got in this. At right we got volume rockers and with a power button, and this side we got that, I think it's extra key there for, oh, that's one ringing key. General we can directly set to silent and do not disturb mode also. Okay, very nice. It's pretty bright and really very bright. See the brightness, you can increase very much. And there's an update also for Oxygen OS, new update. OnePlus is known for their only camera and their performance is unbeatable. It's a flagship mobile, I think.
अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक बटन दबाइए, सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि मेरा वीडियो आप सबसे पहले देख सकें।